16 people, 13 of them girls, were treated in Gisborne Hospital as a result of the major bus crash in the Whareratas on Sunday afternoon, and the emergency services say the outcome could have been a lot worse. A bus filled with 36 students and their adult supporters from Turakina Maori Girls College near Marton were on their way to Gisborne for the National Secondary Schools Haka Championships. The bus left State Highway 2 just south of Bartletts, about 45 kilometres south of Gisborne, at about 3:30 p.m. The vehicle slid off the road on a steep and winding section of the highway and crashed into the drain alongside the road. The firemen assisted the ambulance officers with a triage of the patients and traffic management. They transported 13 patients in all by ambulance, most of them girls with moderate to minor injuries. Despite the setback, we are thankful that the injuries sustained were not worse than they are, and that the group, particularly the students, rose above the situation. That from school staff member Wairoa. With everyone safe, we will refocus now on the reason why we have come to Gisborne, and that's the National Haka Championships.